Hello, I'm Jiaheng. I'm mainly responsible for creating and organizing the whole presentation in our team's project. The name of our project is Healthify Me. Now, let me explain chapters 1 and 2. Firstly, I'd like to present an overview of our products. Here are the reasons and purpose why we developed these products. Based on our findings, we came up with market conditions about other app downloads and reviews and what we need to do something. This relates to what I was saying earlier. Here's the data on the quality of sleep among seniors today and how we design and address it. Secondly, in this part, I'd like to present the objectives, deliverables, and key milestones for each phase. As you can see here, this is a graph of timeline about that.
My name is Lian Hao, a member of the project management, and I'm responsible for talking about the tools that have been used or will be used in the project management and the risk that may be faced in the project. The tools we will use in the project are 5W Analysis, Risk Management, Trello, and Gantt chart, in which 5W analysis is used to analyze the future of the previous generation project and determine the direction of the project. Risk management is used to identify the risks that may lead to project failure and to classify them and determine the level of risk. Trello is used to break down the specific tasks of each department and clearly show the tasks and whether the tasks are completed. The Gantt chart is used to clarify the timeline of tasks, which can be more clearly reflected in which tasks are completed as well as the completion time of each task and the completion time of the overall task. In terms of risk control, we first identified 4 aspects that may cause task failure, namely money, time, personnel, and technology. In terms of money, we should avoid overspeeding, predict marked change in the early stage, and reserve some spare funds. In terms of time, avoid failure to complete software development on time. Refine the schedule and check the work before each delivery node. In terms of technology, contact professional companies for technical guidance during the project and add tasking links to the next content. In terms of personnel, avoid the loss of key personnel in the critical period. Do a good job of.
Hello, my name is Yu+Sun, and I will introduce part 5, Phase Vision and Gantt chart. We internally divide the home project into these 4 parts, and I will introduce them in the following Gantt charts. This is the Gantt chart for our project. We divide tasks according to different months. In the first 2 months, we put them together in phase 1. We need to search for information about the markets and then analyze them in the first month. Then through discussion, based on the user needs and the requirements, which we can get from the information we find about the market situation, we can define the concept for our own project. Then in the 6 months, we need to complete the prototype of the product. For example, we need to finish the UX and UI design. That means the user experience design and the user interface design. And also, we need to finish the core feature development. After that, in the third and fourth months, also means in the phase 2, we need to complete the design of the entire app and obtain a relatively complete product. Then in phase 3, we need to spend time on fixing bugs and test the project to avoid any issues that may arise after its launch, and may provide users with a negative experience. At the same time, we will also make some preparations for market promotion. Finally, in phase 4, also the 6 months, we will launch the app in the App Store and promote the product through something like the advertisement or some videos. And we need to collect the user feedback to further optimize the product.
Hello, I'm Yuanhua, and in this team, I'm mainly responsible for organizing the logic, sorting and integrating the team line and budget, and searching for information. And then I will explain the budget and the financial issues related to our team's project plan. First, we divided the overall budget into 8 main parts, and we refund the expenses besides on various possible scenarios. While investigating general market expenses, we found some problem. That one of them that hiring personnel took up a significant part of each category. For example, in the app development, at first we need rent server. It wouldn't exceed $300 per month, about 218 euros. And if we chose cloud server, the final cost may only be around 10 euros per month. It's really cheap. However, the labor cost was much higher, just for a bank and developer. According to the global average salary provided by the freelancer salary website, rates ranged from $61 to $80 per hour, about 65 euros per hour. So we just think, could we find some ways to reduce cost without compromising quality? Since all of our team members were from China, so we understand that labor costs in China were likely lower than in Ireland, where maintaining high quality. And as we know, IT Hub India also had reliable software development. So we searched some data to compare. But we also know this way might not be a perfect solution because different countries have different laws and regulations, which we needed to consider. If we waste the time trying to save money, it wouldn't be a beneficial outcome. So, but whatever, we'll think the diversified solutions will be more and better possibilities to the project. We will plan this approach to more problem. If in the future, when we meet some risks or problem, we just can't to solve that, use some straight way. Maybe we'll consider other ways because more possible is more better, we think. Thank you.